So we commence in open hold, gentleman on his left foot, lady on her right foot. We're going to walk 3 steps forward and kick the inside leg. 1, 2, 3, kick. We're going to walk back 3 and close. 1, 2, 3, close. Now that close is a close without weight, which means we're going to use that one again next. So let's put that together. Gentleman left, lady right, and 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, tap. We're now moving away from our partner with 2 side closes with a clap at the end. Side, close, side, clap. Now moving back to our partner, gentleman right, lady left, and we will end facing our partner in double hold. Side, close, side, and there we are facing our partners. So let's put that together from the beginning. Gentleman left, lady right, and 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, tap. Side, close, side, clap, side, close, face your partner. Now in our double hold, we're going to move down the room for 2, dancing side closes, and back for 2. So we're dancing side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, tap. So let's try that once more. And side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, tap. So from the beginning, gentleman left, lady right, and 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, move away, side, close, side, clap, side, close, double hold, down the room, 2, and back we go. And now to finish it off, we're moving into our 3 bars of waltzing and our opening out. 1, 2, 3, and open out, ready to start again. So shall we put that all together now without stopping? Gent left, lady right, and 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, tap, side, close, side, clap, side, close, double hold, down the room for 2, back we go and waltz, 1 and 2 and 3 and open out.